morning students. Today class I am going to continue exercise number 8.1 question number 3. See what is the question. We are already we taught the chapter 8. I started the chapter 8. I discussed already for the first and the second sum. Today video class I am going to start the question number 3. Find a linear approximation. Find a linear approximation for the following function at the indicated form. Indicated points. Here we are going to find the linear approximation for the given point, indicated point. See what is the function is given. F of x is equal to x cube minus 5x plus 12. F of x is equal to, what is the given function? X cube minus 5x plus 12. Here the indicated point x naught equal to given indicated point x naught equal to 2. Therefore f of x naught, instead of given point is what? Point is given, thus x naught equal to 2. So f of x naught equal to f of 2. Instead of x you substitute x naught value. That is, instead of x you substitute 2. F of x naught equal to f of 2. So substitute in 2 here, 2 cube minus 5 into 2 plus 12. What is the answer? 2 cube is 8, 5 2 are 10 plus 12. So after calculation we get f of 2 equal to 10. Now differentiate with respect to x for the f of x. First you substitute the value for the given function. After find the f dash of x. F dash f x cube is differentiated to become what? N into x power n minus 1. So 3 into x power n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but what? 2. So f of x is nothing. F dash of x is what? 3x square. So x cube is differentiated, we get 3x square. 5x is differentiated, we get only 5 only. So f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 5. Afterwards you substitute the same indicated point 2. F dash of 2 equal to 3 into 2 square minus 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are what? 12. 12 minus 5 is nothing but what? 7. First we substitute the value for, instead of x, substitute x naught. Here indicated points is 2. First substitute the given function x is equal to 2. After differentiate you substitute x is equal to 2 also. First to find f of x, afterwards you find the f dash of x. What is the linear approximation? Remember already I told the formula, very important though. L of x is equal to f of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. F of x naught plus f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. What is our f of x naught? See, f of x naught is nothing but what? 10. F of x naught is at 10. What is our f dash of x? F dash of x is what? 7. So substitute the value. Instead of f of x naught you substitute 10 plus f dash of x naught is what? 7 into x minus x naught is what? 2. So 10 plus 7 into x is what? 7x. 7 2s are what? 14 minus 14. So 10 plus 7x minus 14. Now L of x, therefore linear approximation of x is equal to L of x is equal to 7x minus 4, because minus 14 plus 10 is nothing but what? Minus 4. So L of x is nothing but what? 7x minus 4. This is easy for you because the indicated point is given. Similarly we are going to find the third question, second subdivision. Here the function is given g of x. What is our g of x? The question itself is given. So g of x is equal to square root of x square plus 9. G of x is equal to root of x square plus 9. What is our x naught? X naught equal to the indicated point x naught equal to minus 4. So substitute, so what is the value? Instead of x you substitute x naught. G of x naught equal to, you say, so what is our value? Minus 4 the whole square plus 9. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9 is what? 25. Taking to root 25 is nothing but what? 5. First we find the g of x naught. Afterwards we find the g dash of x naught. What is our g dash of x? See, this is whole power 1 by 2. X square plus 9, the square root is nothing but what? Whole power 1 by 2. So you differentiate it. N into x power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 into x square plus 9 whole power 1 by 2 minus 1. After that assumption is different. This is instead of x you are having the what is the function having? X square plus 1. Again that assumption differentiate. X square is nothing but what? 2x. So if you 2 cancel, we get what? X square plus 9. X square the whole power minus say 1 by 2. So for the root x, if we differentiate root x, we getting 1 by, otherwise 1 by 2 root x. If you remember the formula means, if we differentiate the root x, we get 1 by 2 root x. So otherwise apply the formula n into x power n minus 1. So x square differentiate, we get 2x. 2 cancelled, we get what? X square plus 9 whole power minus 1 by 2 into x. Now x by x. Now what is that next step? X by x square plus 1. X by x square plus 9 whole power 1 by 2. The 1 by 2 is nothing but what? Root 2. So x by root of x square plus 9. This is what is the value? G dash of x naught. So now again substitute the value. What is the indicated point? X naught. Indicated point is x naught equal to minus 4. Now you substitute it. Instead of x naught, you substitute what? Minus 4. G dash of minus 4 equal to, instead of x, you substitute minus 4. Minus 4 by root of minus 4 the whole square plus 9. Now minus 4 divided by 5. This is what? 16. 16 plus 9 is what? 25. Taking square root, we get what? 20. Taking square root for 25, we get what? 5. Therefore, G dash of minus 4 is what? Minus 4 by 5. Usually, what you first you find? First you substitute the indicated point for the given function. Afterwards, you differentiate. Again, you substitute the indicated point. G of x. The function is given f of x, g of x, h of x, whatever like. So, first you differentiate what? Indicated point, g of x. Afterwards, you find the g dash of x. G dash of x. What is our formula for linear approximation? L of x is equal to, here having the given function is g of x naught plus g dash of x naught into x minus x naught. Same procedure only followed. G of x is we find out what? 5 minus g dash of x is what? 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. G of x naught is 5. G dash of x is what? Minus 4 by 5. X minus x naught. X naught value is minus 4. Already having minus sign. Minus into minus become plus. Now afterwards you are taking the LCM. So 5 5s are 25. Minus 4x. Minus 4 into plus 4 is what? Minus 16. Now L of x is equal to 25 minus 16 is what? 9. 9 minus 4x divided by 5. Therefore the linear approximation is what? 9 minus 4x divided by 5. These are indicated point case given means first you substitute the value for the given function. Afterwards you differentiate, again substitute the value. First suppose you find g of x, given function g of x means first you find the indicated point in g of x. Afterwards you differentiate, again substitute in the g dash of x. Finding the values for g of x and g dash of x, you substitute in the linear approximation formula. L of x is equal to g of x naught plus g dash of x naught into x minus x naught. See the question number 5 now. These are word problem. Already I told you in this chapter, 8th chapter, only 2 exercises, 8.1 and 8.2. Go through properly. Here also see the word problem. A sphere is made of ice having 10 centimeter. Radius 10 centimeter. A sphere is made of what? Ice. So, sphere is in the shape of the ice having the radius is 10 centimeter. The radius decreases from, suppose if after melting that ice become, the radius of the radius is what? The sphere become decreases, that is the radius also decreases. The radius decreases from 10 centimeter to 9.8 centimeter. The sphere is made of ice having the radius is 10 centimeter. Its radius decreases from 10 centimeter to 9.8 centimeter. What we are going to find the approximation for the change in volume. Suppose after melting the sphere is decreases. Sphere decreases and volume become changes from the original volume. After the melting the change in some volume. Changes in volume. Similarly changes in surface area. Therefore, we are going to find for a fifth question, after melting, the radius 10 cm reduced to 2, that is decreases to 9.8 cm. Now we find the approximation for the change in volume as well as change in the surface area. Now see the question number 5 solution. What is the radius of the sphere? 10 centimeter. What is after decreasing the volume? What is the radius? A decreased radius or new radius. After decreasing, the new radius is what? 9.8 centimeter. First the radius of the sphere is 10 centimeter. After decreasing, the new radius is what? 9.8 centimeter. So what is the decreased radius? 10 minus 9.8, that is 0.2. That is a dr, decreasing radius. This is the radius. Dr is nothing but a decreasing radius, 0.2. This is decreasing when using the negative symbol, minus 0.2. Since the radius of the sphere is decreasing. Increasing means we are using the plus symbol. That is increasing means raising. Here decrease is using the minus. So 10 minus 9.8 is nothing but what? 0.2. So decreasing. So dr is nothing but what? Decreasing radius. Radius is what? Original radius is 10 centimeter. The new radius is what? 9.8. After subtracting we get the decreasing radius. Decreasing radius is nothing but a dr equal to minus 0.8. Minus 0.2 because since the radius of the sphere is decreasing. First we are going to find the change in volume. What is the change in volume? Change in volume equal to, first we find the volume of the original sphere. Volume of the sphere is, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. So for V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube V volume of the sphere. What is the formula? V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now differentiate R with respect to differentiate with respect to R on both sides. Differentiate what we are going to differentiate with respect to R on both sides. So dV by dr. Now differentiate with respect to R means dV by dr equal to 4 by 3 is constant, pi also constant. R cube is a differentiate what? 3r square, n into x power n minus 1, 3r square. So dV by dr equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. 3 cancelled, we get dV equal to 4 pi r square into dr. 4 pi r square into dr. Now dV equal to 4 pi. What is our r value? R radius is what? 10. 10 square into what is our dr? Minus 0.82. Because decreasing radius is what? Minus 0.82. Now dV equal to, so 10 square is what? 100 into 4 what? 400 into 2 is what? 8. So after this simplification we get dV equal to, move the decimal point to 1 point. So we get dV equal to minus 80.0 pi cubic unit, because first what we are going to change in volume we are going to find. So what is the volume of the formula? V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to R on both sides. So we become dV by dr. 4 by 3 into pi. 4 by 3 pi is constant. If r cube differentiate, this is nothing but what? 3r square. 3r square into dr. So if we differentiate 3r square into 3r square. So dV equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square into the dr goes to the right hand side to become product dr. Substitute the r value and dr value. R is nothing but what? 10 square. The decreasing radius is what? Minus 0.2. After simplification we get change in volume is dV. Volume is dV means change. dr means change. dr means change in radius r. So dV means change in volume. dV equal to minus 80.0 pi. This is the change in volume. Now change in volume equal to change in volume dV equal to minus 80 pi cubic centimeter. That is minus 80 cubic centimeter is nothing but what? Volume is decreases for 80 pi centimeter cube. So decrease the volume is decreasing because negative symbol. So they are increasing. Positive means increasing. Negative coming no decreasing. The volume is decreasing for 80 pi centimeter cube. Next similarly we are going to find the change in surface area. What is the surface area of the sphere? Surface area of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of the sphere is S is equal to 4 pi r square. Differentiate with respect to r on both. Similarly, what we are going to find the volume, the same procedure we are find a change in surface area. So differentiate with respect to r on both sides. ds by dr. ds by dr equal to 4 pi. If you differentiate r square, it will become what? Dr. 4 pi. 4 pi is constant. R square differentiate to become what? 2r. Now ds equal to 8 pi r. 4 2s are 8. 8 pi r into dr. 8 pi r into dr. Now 8 pi. What is our r value? R value is nothing but what? 10. dr is what? Minus 0.2. Therefore change in surface area equal to 8 2s are 16. 80 into 2 160. After moving one decimal point we get what? Minus 16.0 pi square centimeter. Therefore surface area is decreasing. How much decreasing? 16 pi centimeter square. So therefore surface area is decreasing 16 pi centimeter square. Volume is decreasing 80 pi centimeter cube. So we are find the change in volume as well as similarly change in the surface area. These are very important 3-mark question because only 2x is having for the 8.1. So 8th chapter. Now see the question number 6. The time t taken for the complete oscillation of a single pendulum. Time t taken for a complete oscillation of a single pendulum with a length. With the length is what? L is given by the equation t equal to 2 pi root of L by G. The equation of the simple pendulum at the time t equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. Root of L by G. Where G is a constant, that is gravity. Where G is a constant, find the approximate percentage of error is calculated the value of t corresponding to an error of 2% in the volume of L. See the question, understand the question. The time t taken for a complete oscillation of a single pendulum with length L is given by the equation t equal to 2 pi into root of L by G, where G is a constant. Find the equation t equal to 2 pi into root of L by G, where G is a constant. Find the approximate percentage error in error in the calculated value of t corresponding to of an error, the corresponding to 2% in the value of L. The corresponding error is what? 2% of value of error means we are going to find the percentage error, approximate percentage error for the calculating the value of t. See the question number 6. What is the solution? Equation of the single pendulum, what is given? T equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. The given question itself, T equal to 2 pi, equation of the symbol T equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. Now dL by L, D change in L by original L. Because it is a change, the length is changed. So change in dl, L is nothing but what? Length of the simple pendulum, change in L by original L. Change in L is taken as what? dl, original length is what? Change in length is dl, original length is L. How much error? 2% for the error. dl by L equal to 2%. 2% nothing but what? 2 by 100, that is 0.02. Now T equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. T equal to 2 pi into L by G whole power 1 by 2. Take square root you put in the power whole power n 1 by 2. 2 pi into L by G whole power 1 by 2. Next taking log on both sides. Now we are going to log on both sides. Because what is the given? Listen carefully. dl is nothing but what? Change in length. L is what? Original length. How much error for the change in length for the original? 2%. So error is what? 0.02. Now after we are going to taking log on both sides. So to square root of L by G is rewrite as what? 1 by 2. T equal to 2 pi into L by G whole power 1 by 2. Taking log on both sides. Now log t equal to, taking log means left hand side and the right hand. The product is coming in, put the addition. Log t equal to log 2 pi plus 1 by 2. The power come to the product 1 by 2 into log L by G. Log t equal to log 2 pi plus 1 by 2 into log L by G. Differentiate with respect to L on both sides. The differentiate with respect to L on both sides. So log t, differentiate log t, we get 1 by 2 into dt. Log 2 pi is nothing but a constant. If you differentiate the constant, it will become 0. Plus 1 by 2 into log x is differentiate, we get 1 by x. Assumption is that we are going to differentiate the L value. Log x is nothing but what? Differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is log x whole power dash 1 by x. So assumption L by G. L is what? Log x differentiate 1 by x, assumption differentiate 1 by G into L is a differentiate, we get what? dl. So this is 1 by x. Instead of x having L by x, only here having log x means 1 by x, that is log L by G means what? 1 by L by G. So 1 by G is keep it and constant. If again L is differentiate, we get what? dl. Now 1 by t into dt, this is constant. Log 2 pi is differentiate, we get 0, constant value. Now see that 1 by t into dt equal to 1 by 2 into L by G, write the reciprocal G by E. L into 1 by G. L by G the reciprocal multiplied with reciprocal G by L into 1 by G into dl. G cancelled, we get what? 1 by 2 into dl by L. Already find in the change in error for the 2%. dl by L is what? Change in length by original length. Therefore substitute dt by t equal to 1 by 2 into dl by L is what? 0.02. If we cancel, we get what? 0.01 dt by t. So percentage, we are going to find the percentage of error. Therefore dt by t into percentage means nothing but multiplied 100 on both sides. dt by t into 100, that is 0.01 into 100. So what happened? So 0.01 is multiplied with 100, we get dt, get 1%. dt by t means what? Change in error at the time. dt by t is nothing but what? Change in error at the time t. So dt by t into 100 equal to 0.01 into 100. So percentage, 100 is nothing but what? Percentage. Therefore percentage of the error, see, percentage of error is nothing but what? 1%. Very simple only. First we find the dl by L. dl by L is nothing but what? Change in the length. Change in the length. That is error in the length. So dl by L is nothing but what? Book itself 2%. 2 by 100 0.02. After the given equation we differentiate. Differentiation completed, you substitute the value, you get the final step. We want to find the percentage of error. Therefore the percentage of error is nothing but what? Multiplied 100 and both sides, we get the percentage of error. That is nothing but 1%. Percentage of error is what? 1%. Thank you students.